So Cassie has just recently released the Lazy Cracker, and Lazy Cracker is a pretty interesting tool that allows you to crack things inside of Blender. This offers various means of creating fractures, which includes a full artistic mode and also a procedural destruction mode, which you can actually use to destroy things in seconds. And today we're simply going to take a look at it, see some of the assets that it comes with, and also how you can grab this for 25% off. And with that said, let's dive right into Blender and take a look at how this actually works. So Blender simply open up right here. How you get to work with this is really easy. All you need to do is to drag and drop the add-on right inside of your Blender viewport, click on OK to install that, and then you can simply go over to Edit, go over to Preference, go right here where you have your add-ons, and confirm that you've got your Lazy Cracker installed. Now once you have that, click on the Burger menu, save your preference, and close the window. And with that done, once you tap in on the keyboard, you will notice you've got the Lazy Cracker right here. So once you have the Lazy Cracker popped up, you would notice that you've got a category for materials, and you also got a category for assets. So within the asset section, you do have a good number of assets that you can work with, and these are basically debris that you can throw into your scene. And you've got materials. So these materials include your typical cement material, and this includes the first cement, the second cement, and of course, you also have the glass material. How you crack things here is extremely easy. So the first things that we get to see is once you have an object selected, you can click on Draw Crack Part. And with this, you can simply just go ahead and do a simple draw. And once you're ready, press the Enter key and you have it. Your object has been cracked and you can simply move things around. Pretty easy. In this way, you can literally just crack things however you want. If you like to use the automatic cracking, of course, you can simply go ahead and click on the automatic cracking. This uses procedural systems to do stuff. So for this one, you can literally go in and make some changes right here. If this is something that you want, maybe increase the number of seed, play with the length of the vision, do some wiggling ratio. Once you're comfortable with that, you can have the object selected, click on auto crack, and there you go. You do have an auto crack right there. And for the draw crack, we also have parameters right here. So you can choose to play with these parameters however you want. So now that we have this out of the way, you would also notice right here that we've got a couple of settings. This has to do with passive, and you can simply do a playback. And how does that work? So for that one, we're simply going to move this all the way up, add ourselves a simple plane. I'm just going to scale that all the way, set this to passive, have this selected, and do a simple draw. So we're just going to draw on this one. And once we're ready, we can press Enter key, then apply the cut. So once we do that, if we press the playback button, you would notice that we have that playing back. We can also simply just go ahead and undo this if this is not how we would like things to be. And we can have that selected and draw in different parts as well. So maybe this is what we want. We can simply go ahead and do that. And we can have that there, press the playback button again. And you can see easily we are now creating that destructive effect that we want. Other than that, you can also go ahead and have the whole fracture selected, and you can choose to apply materials. So depending on the material that you're going for, you can apply the material, preview this within your render, and of course, you can do some nice manipulation with the material depending on how you like your fractures to look. Some of the things that you can do is we do have some debris, so you can also bring in those debris and use them to fine-tune your fractures. Currently, these debris are not part of the fracture system. They're just basically assets that you can use to prove that certain things were fractured and the remnants of those things exist within your scene. So this is it. For those who like to grab these, or possibly you like to grab some of the interesting cool stuff right now, you can simply go over to the link in the description that'll bring you right here where you'll be able to grab the Lazy Cracker for 25% off. At the same time, everything on Cassie Ship's page are also available for 25% off. The reason is because the folks at Superhive are currently doing their spring sale, and this will be running from now till the 11th of May of 2026. And of course, for those who are also looking for other options that they can use to fracture stuff, crack stuff, or even add a couple of wear and tear on their scene, we're also going to link a couple of these alongside some other interesting things in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.